To send money on Crypto.com, you can transfer funds from the platform to your bank account or a different exchange. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on Accounts, where you will see your fiat wallet and crypto wallet. The choice between these two depends on where you want to send your money. If you want to send cryptocurrency to a different exchange, select the crypto wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Tether. Click on Transfer, then Withdrawal, and follow the subsequent steps to complete the transaction. On the other hand, if you want to send money to your bank account, go back to Accounts. Click on the fiat wallet, then click on Transfer and Withdrawal. Select your preferred fiat currency and follow the steps to initiate the withdrawal. Note that the minimum transaction amount is €80. Once you have enough funds, you can withdraw the money to the bank account you used to deposit funds into your Crypto.com account. By following these steps, you can easily send money on Crypto.com.